Hello dear learners, welcome to our YouTube channel Tricky Maths. In this video, we are going to learn how to make 14 times tables very quickly and so on. So let's get started. Dear learner, one of the side you see the 14 times tables and that is already in your books. Now we are going to learn our method to create it very quickly. First of all, write 4 times tables as shown in video. I hope you know it. Now in front of 4, write 1 as a first digit and add 1 together and write next digit as a 2. Now add 2 in previous digits and write next digit as a 4. Continue this process 6th place and at 7th place add 1 in 6th place and write 9 as the 7th place and continue previous pattern up to the last digit. Now remove the digits that is at 10th place of the 4th table and see the complete table of 14. Now you try for same 24. Thank you. If you feel anything useful, please do like, share and comment, and let's subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more upcoming videos.